Hi, this is Griffin Scrappy Mania, and today I'm going to create a card using this window frame card making kit, and I'm making a masculine card. I know a lot of the designs in here, if you look at the instruction booklet, a lot of the designs have flowers, have butterflies, and they look a lot more for a lady than it is for a guy. But I'm going to create a card that I'm going to make it more masculine, and let me show you how I'm going to do that. So I have these stamps that I bought some time ago, and they have Victrolas, cameras, bikes, even have a little chess piece and a shoe. So I also got these as well. So these are a little more kind of masculine looking. Let me see if I can get rid of that glare. So I'm using these to create some of the decorations. So let me bring this across. So to make that card more masculine, I went ahead and stamped the little picture, and I'm going to put that there. And see, right immediately, it looks a lot more masculine than feminine. I only going to put one little flower, and then this flower, instead of a rose, I just use a regular blue flower. And I'm using blue. Going to put a little butterfly. And then I'm going to put this frame on there, and this frame. And then, of course, this comes with the kit. So let's go ahead and put everything together. And I love this kit because it really has everything you need to make 20 cards. Plus, you get a die, and you can create more cards. So you have to fold these up. You fold the center fold up, and then you fold these, the bottom ones and the top fold. So the first score line, last score line goes up, and then the second score line are the only ones that go down. So once you do that, so let's go ahead. Okay. And then I'm going to varnish it so that way it'll be nice and flat. Okay. Okay, so it's nice and flat. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some really thin, this is a 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch, let's see. The actual 1/4 inch around my edges. You can also use liquid glue, but I like using double adhesive because you don't have to wait for the glue to dry, and it sticks, and it's permanent too. Sometimes you may want to use liquid glue because you have time to reposition it if you need to reposition it. So I'm going to put some glue on here as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place this one first. So I want to go ahead and I'm going to use the bottom edge and the bottom edge here to align it. And I think I got it just right. Okay, so there, perfect. I'm going to remove this. Now, one thing I really would wish that the cardstock would have been more sturdier, but it's still okay. But the cardstock that they use for this is not as thick as I like it to be. Then I'm going to put this frame on. Next piece that I need to put in is this one, and I do want to pop it out a little bit. So let's go ahead and put some adhesive. So I'm using some foam adhesive, and it comes with the kit, and that's one thing that I like about this kit from Griffin, is that you have everything you need in, except for the liquid glue or the tape runner. You have everything you need to construct the card, and I like that because a lot of times I don't have time. You know, I want to make a quick card to give away, and I don't have time to cut pieces and look for my glue. I like to open the kit, pull my embellishments out, pull my foam adhesive out, and just make the card and be done with it. Okay, let's go ahead and place that here. There, I have it there. Okay, the next thing that needs to go there is this. Now, because it has a sticky back, we don't want to stick anywhere because this is a little, has a little dimension. So I'm going to use some powder to get rid of the stickiness. Okay. Now I'm going to put some of this, and actually I'm going to use better adhesive or a thicker adhesive foam. I don't like my foam to stick out, so I cut it a little bit. And now we need to pop this up. Okay, so I need to pop it up on the side here. Needs another one. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the adhesive, and that's going to nest very nicely right there. Look at that. Okay, and then to balance this out, I'm going to go ahead and place the butterfly up here. Didn't work out. Let's see. Okay. So there's my card, and see how it looks not as feminine. It does look a little masculine. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Bye now.